For 50 years, the Center for Research on Education and School Development at TU Dortmund University has been dedicated to research, teaching and promoting of young researchers in education and school development. Much has happened since its beginnings. Exciting projects, groundbreaking decisions, lively exchange and committed people have shaped the Institute.
For 50 years, committed people with a pioneering research spirit and a passion for their shared work have shaped the history of the IFS. Founded by Professor Rolf as a site for school development research, the Institute was the first to establish the concept of school development in Germany. Over the years, the Institute's focus has expanded to include areas such as education on information and communication technology, education management, school development and evaluation. Under the leadership of Professor Boos, an expert in large-scale assessments, the IFS has developed into an outstanding center for modern international school development research.
Over the past 50 years, the Institute has developed a holistic view on schools, from the system level to individual educational processes. The various phases of the development of the Institute have opened up an impressive variety of perspective on school with diverse thematic topics as well as interdisciplinary expertise. This diversity of perspectives is what makes the Institute truly special.
The IFS has impressive expertise in empirical educational research consisting of closely interlinked working groups. The continuous exchange between the project groups and the working groups not only strengthens individual research projects, but also contributes to the research excellence of the entire institute. In projects such as PEARL, SNAPS, FAIR, Erasmus+, Selfie and Speak, academic staff work intensively on identifying causal relationships in schools and education, as well as possible areas for improvement to facilitate successful school-based education for all. For 5 decades, the IFS has been supporting young people from their first degree to a professorship or practice-oriented career in education. Beginning at the teaching stage, great importance is attached to integrating current research questions and research findings on school and education. The promotion of young academics includes a structured qualification program for doctoral students and targeted support for postdocs. This commitment is reflected in the 24 professorships that have been held by former IFS members. In addition, research at the IFS is visible at the conferences and in numerous international publications. Moreover, at the interface between research and practice, the IFS also ensures the transfer of knowledge into educational practice and promotes productive dialogue on current topics relevant to education. The IFS expects and provides research that is rich in prospects for new findings, better classroom instruction or optimized school framework conditions. The diversity of scientific perspectives, which consistently complement each other to form a comprehensive picture in the field of empirical educational research, is a key to the Institute's success. Today's educational systems face a variety of challenges. Digitalization and increasingly heterogeneous societies are ultimately changing school and education. Questions regarding new teaching options, the best possible acquisition of skills and persistent social inequalities are issues the IFS will continue to deal with.
New fields of research, such as the well-being of children and young people, or civic literacy, which is a competence for participation in social or political life, are gaining in importance and are part of our modern research agenda. We understand that the challenges in the field of education are manifold, and that is why our research will remain diverse.